to be here, put these through their paces, and try to understand some of the criteria you might want to know before picking out one of these to put in your own tool belts or in your own.
Hey guys, I'm back. I know I haven't been hitting that upload button much lately, but I swear I'm busy. I've got 2 bathroom remodels, my wife's going back to school to get her master's, I've got 2 little kids, and oh, did I mention I have a day job? But, still gonna In my family, if you have free beer, you have as much free labor as you want. Even if it's 9 degrees outside.
This is how you make a YouTube movie like this. Cool, yeah, this has got a red dot.
Cool. Center step in my jointer and planer, but this slab is a little bit too wide and thick. So I butted it up against a couple clamps and just started roughing it out with my number 5 plane. This is a really nice bedrock plane that I restored in a video earlier. If you want to see that, I'll link it on here. So I flattened it reasonably enough. There's no joinery going in this, but